Why is Mr. Krabs sneaking up on SpongeBob, Patrick, and Squidward? Why? What? You know what? No. I thought I was done with this book. Why am I still reading it? I don't know. Huh? I guess I'll just walk over here. I'm just walking this way. You know what? You don't deserve to be a book because of the stupid Mr. Krabs face. Why not even start reading this? I don't know. Just die. Today's the perfect day. What's that? Oh my, what the heck? How am I getting hurt by a book? I don't know. Where's Luigi? He was supposed to be here for lunch because we were meeting each other. Luigi, where are you? Luigi! Luigi! Oh, Luigi! Oh my, Luigi, what happened? I got hit by a book, and so now I'm really hurt. What? How do you get hit by a book and you're about to die? That doesn't make any sense. I know it doesn't. Well, I'm gonna cry now. No. What are you doing, Mario? I have no idea. I'm just fake crying because that's what people do in movies. Whenever someone gets hurt, they cry. I don't care about the books. Bowser Jr. was reading that book. He said it was really bad because of Mr. Krabs. But are you okay, Luigi? Luigi? No! I have to take you to the hospital. Back on the job. Sir, can you help my brother, Luigi? He got hit by a book. Bye. What? He got hit by a book and he's dead? What? Now I have to fix this guy. Let's go. Oh, Luigi's okay. I mean, I can see him, but where's the doctor? Oh, there you are. Yeah, I've been here for about 3 hours, and so have you, so... Yeah. He won't be ready till the end of the video. To the end of the video? How long is that? I don't know, probably about 7 minutes. But, come on. Yep. Well, we're gonna have to find someone else. Okay, I guess I'll find someone else. Yep. I'm not gonna find a new Luigi. Hey, Minnie and Luigi. Minnie, I'm huge! What? No, you're not. Look, you're like as tall as my legs. You're really small. Well, okay. Maybe it's because you're really far away from me. Oh, wait, that's true. Okay, yeah, you're really huge. Yeah, you're as tall as my legs. Let me just check. Okay, yeah, I am. Yep. Well, what do you want? Well, could you be, Luigi's replacement? Okay, wait, what? No one can beat me. Hey, we can beat you. Who's the big guy? Oh, I'm Luigi. Wait, you don't eat a mushroom or something? No, I'm just Luigi's replacement for now. Till the end of the video. Oh, okay. Yeah, we're gonna beat you up. Yeah, we are. Oh, wait, you're not supposed to go that quick. Well, I just did that. Okay, guess that was pretty boring. Yeah, his spikes hurt on my face. Okay, let me come help you. These really hurt. Okay, let me help you. Bowser, you dead? Okay, he's dead. My nose. Why am I the nose? I don't know. Just grab me by the nose. Super bored, Mario. I know, I am too. I guess we should just wait here. Yep. You so loud? Come on, get up, Luigi. My name's Big Luigi. Oh. Well, I'm gonna go over here. What? You say you're just gonna leave me? Don't walk by the nose again because it's the only place I can carry you. In my chair. Oh no, not the minion. Luigi, you can take care of this because you're new. Fine. Yep. Wait, why is Luigi over there? I don't know. Okay, minion, I guess. I'm just gonna go ahead and... Okay, that was pretty easy. Did you finish it? Why is Luigi right here? Luigi, you okay, bro? Oh, I'm just using him. I'll just hang out with Bowser really quick. And we're both dead. So you're just gonna leave him right here in my house? Yep, I mean, he should just heal and should be done, basically. Okay. That was pretty good in this chair. There you go. Oh, you just threw him away. Sadly, that's my chair. Well, then why'd you make me kill someone in your chair if you knew I was gonna sit in it? I don't know, just get out of my chair. Just, you can sit right there. What's happening? Huh? I'm alive? Wait, you're alive? No. I thought you were alive. I am. I just like to play tricks on you. Wait, you were never dead? No, I was just kidding. Lol. 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 Please like and subscribe or else I won't make any more vids. And if you guys want me to make more vids, like and subscribe.